Lumbini is heaven not just for the people of Buddhist faith and peace lovers from around the world, but also a paradise for birds. Lumbini has become a paradise for birds due to its peaceful environment, greenery, floral garden, as well as water canals and ponds that exist within the Lumbini Master Plan area. There are around more than 290 different species of birds in Lumbini. Some of the birds in Lumbini are local inhabitants, whereas some others are migratory. Birds from as far as Siberia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Tibet migrate here to escape the harsh weather in those regions and experience the warmth of Lumbini. These migratory birds are also called the guest bird. Some of the visitor birds to Lumbini are the species of lizard whistling duck, black-necked stork, black-headed ibis, little grebe, and many more others. Lumbini, its surroundings become alluring as these tourist birds arrive here from thousands of miles away without any passport and visas. Lumbini Development Trust, in its master plan, has built a more than 1 kilometer radius circular levee pond in periphery of Sacred Garden, along with a beautiful pond next to each monastic zone of monasteries, aiding attraction to the place and appealing birds to the region. One other natural significance of Lumbini is the presence of rare crane Sarus in the region. According to the master plan, 100 hectares of land in Lumbini is turned into the wetland for crane conservation. This effort has been undertaken in collaboration with International Crane Foundation. Around 500 Sarus Crane Antigone is found within and in the outskirts of village of Lumbini area. Along with its grace and elegant appearance, the bird is revered in Lumbini and other parts of the world for its important link to one of the famous Buddha's life story. As the legend goes, one day, suddenly, a wounded Sarus Crane fell from the sky and onto his feet. It had been shot by an arrow triggered by Buddha's cousin Devdatta. It is believed that, feeling sorrow for the animal, Buddha took it into the palace and removed the arrow, patched up the wound, and started nurse to the bird back to the health, caring for it with a genuine love. Besides Sarus Crane, hundreds of local inhabitant bird species are found in Lumbini like lizard adjutant, Asian openbill, red wattle lapwing, little bunting, Indian spotted eagle, grey heron, and purple sunbird, and many more other lovely birds. Lumbini has become the center of attraction for the bird due to its warm weather, ponds and wetlands, as well as conducive atmosphere that provide necessary daily diet to the bird. As specified in Master Plan of Lumbini Development Area, 60% of the total land that's been allocated for greenery, 20% for canal pond, that has turned the area into paradise for birds, according to Saroj Bhattrai, the manager of planning Lumbini Development Trust.
प्रतिशत भूभाग चाहिँ ग्रिनेरी र जङ्गल राखिएको छ भने करिब 20% चाहिँ यहाँ नहर पोखरी र खोलाहरूलाई दिएको छ र त्यसमा विभिन्न फ्याक्टरबाट यसलाई चाहिँ अध्ययन गरिएको हुनुपर्छ यहाँको इकोलोजिकल ब्यालेन्स गर्नको निम्ति यो ठाउँ चाहिँ अलिकति गर्मी ठाउँ भएको हुनाले यहाँ अलिकति चिस्यान वाटर बडिजको माध्यमबाट चिस्यान
Lumbini, with its evergreen haven for the birds and refreshing environment due to its natural surroundings, provide immense joy and warmth to both visitor birds that arrive here from thousands of miles away and its local inhabitant birds. Hundreds of bird-loving tourists, bird watchers and experts visit Lumbini and surrounding region with the lakes every year for their research work. Lumbini in itself is a different paradise for bird lovers and creative people due to the captivating and natural bird sound. Join with us in visiting Lumbini and the area as the bird watching here gives you unique joy and the gratitude.